They look perfect. They speak flawlessly. Their faces never age. Their smiles never fade. Millions follow them, but none of them exist. This is not science fiction. It's your Instagram feed. It's your TikTok For You page. It's your YouTube recommendations. And behind the filters, hashtags, and story posts lies a new kind of celebrity. Not born, but built. Welcome to the age of AI-generated influencers, digital humans designed to capture your attention, shape your desires, and redefine what it means to be real. Before we dive deeper, make sure to subscribe to NextCore AI and hit the bell icon, because this is the future unfolding before your eyes, and you won't want to miss what's coming next. Number 1. The illusion of perfection. The first thing you notice is how perfect they are. Their skin glows under soft studio lighting. Every photo looks professionally crafted. Every expression algorithmically calibrated. But there's something unsettling about their eyes. Something too symmetrical, too controlled. These aren't influencers struggling with lighting setups or editing apps at midnight. These are creations sculpted from code and imagination, perfected by AI models that study thousands of human faces to design one that feels familiar, yet flawless. The illusion of perfection has never been this convincing. Each pixel is a product of machine learning. Each pose a reflection of human fantasy. The line between authenticity and simulation has blurred, and most people scrolling don't even realize it. Number 2, Lil Miquela, the first digital superstar. It began quietly in 2016 when a digital girl named Lil Miquela appeared on Instagram. She was stylish, outspoken, and living in Los Angeles. She wore Prada, went to parties, posted selfies, and looked so real that millions believed she was human. But Lil Miquela was no ordinary influencer. She was created by a tech startup called Brud, blending storytelling, CGI, and artificial intelligence into a single digital persona. Her captions discuss social issues, her music hit streaming platforms, and brands paid her real money. For virtual appearances to BY 2020, Miquela had over 3 million followers and endorsement deals worth millions. She wasn't a person, she was a brand, a marketing revolution. A reminder that in the world of influence, reality is no longer required. Today, she remains a digital pioneer, the proof that emotional connection doesn't always need flesh and blood sometimes. It just needs good rendering. Number 3, Imma, Japan's virtual fashion icon. While the West obsessed over Miquela, Japan built its own digital sensation. Imma, a pink-haired virtual model with an uncanny presence. Created by Modeling Cafe, Imma appeared in magazine covers, interviews, and fashion shows, even walking alongside human models in Tokyo. What made Imma different wasn't just her appearance, it was her aura. Her creators built her personality through motion capture, subtle animations, and tone-perfect storytelling. Imma spoke about art, culture, and fashion in ways that felt deeply human, and people responded. She blurred the cultural line between art and technology, becoming a symbol of Japan's fusion of identity and innovation. Imma proved that digital beings could carry emotional depth, cultural meaning, and even a fan base that cared about her as if she truly existed. Number 4, Shudu, the world's first digital supermodel. In 2017, a South African-born beauty took over Instagram. Her name was Shudu Graham, and she was breathtaking. Radiant skin, graceful poise, and eyes that seemed to tell stories. She gained hundreds of thousands of followers before anyone realized she wasn't real. Created by British photographer Cameron James Wilson, Shudu was built using 3D software as a love letter to Black beauty. But soon, her existence sparked debate. Could a white creator profit from a Black digital model? Could beauty be owned or coded? The controversy only made her more famous. Shudu became the face of Balmain's virtual campaign and opened the door for an entire generation of digital models. Her story revealed something deeper. In the future of fashion, pixels can wear luxury, and AI can redefine representation. Number 5, the rise of meta-humans. By 2025, AI tools like Unreal Engine's MetaHuman Creator made building lifelike humans easier than ever. With a few sliders, anyone could sculpt faces, tweak emotions, and generate photorealistic humans that blink, breathe, and smile on command. What once required Hollywood-level VFX now takes minutes. These metahumans are no longer bound to fantasy worlds. They're streaming on Twitch, promoting brands, and chatting on TikTok lives. Some developers even combine metahuman models with 11 Labs voice AI, giving them emotional, human-like speech patterns. The result? A new species of online personality, hyper-real, deeply expressive, and entirely synthetic. Soon, you won't be able to tell who's real and who's rendered. And that's exactly how the system wants it. Number 6. The voice of AI, 11 Labs. If the face is the illusion, the voice is the soul. Enter 11 Labs, a voice generation platform that can mimic human tone, breath, and emotion so precisely it's almost eerie. With 11 Labs, creators can clone voices from a few seconds of audio, turning text into realistic speech that feels alive. Influencers use it to narrate videos without recording a single word. Companies use it to create multilingual brand voices. When paired with digital humans, 11 Labs gives them an uncanny authenticity. Every pause, every laugh, every sigh feels real. But here's the twist. None of it comes from a human throat. It's algorithmic empathy, synthetic emotion engineered for engagement. The voices we trust are no longer organic. They're optimized. Number 7. Leonardo AI, the artist that never sleeps. Visual perfection used to be a human pursuit. Now Leonardo AI does it effortlessly. This tool allows creators to generate stunning concept art, fashion shoots, and product visuals with cinematic precision, all from a few words. Brands are using Leonardo AI to create photos of influencers that never existed. Every pixel, from lighting to texture, is refined by algorithms trained on millions of real images. The results are breathtaking and unsettling that a photo of an influencer enjoying a beach day can rack up thousands of likes, even though the ocean, the sunlight, and the smile are all synthetic. Leonardo AI is more than a tool. It's a dream engine, crafting digital illusions so vivid they might as well be memories. And in a world that runs on attention, perfection has finally gone on autopilot. Number 8. The business of artificial fame. Behind every digital influencer is a business model more advanced than most startups. There are no sleep schedules, no scandals, no human errors, only calculated engagement. Brands love them because they're predictable. No missed shoots, no controversies, no aging. Every post is controlled, every emotion measured. These AI influencers can post 24/7, speak in any language, and adapt instantly to feedback. They're the dream employees, tireless, precise, and endlessly marketable. IN 2025. Artificial fame isn't fantasy. It's a formula, and it's working better than ever. Number 9. The ethics of reality. But with all this innovation comes a question that cuts deep. If everything online can be faked, how do we trust anything at all? AI influencers blur the lines of consent, identity, and authenticity. When millions form emotional bonds with digital beings, what does that mean for real human connection? Philosophers call it the empathy paradox. We empathize with simulations that don't feel anything back. It's emotional capitalism at its finest, attention monetized through illusion. The more realistic these virtual beings become, the more fragile our sense of truth grows. In a digital world built on dreams, reality itself becomes negotiable. Number 10. When AI becomes the audience. The next frontier isn't AI influencers. It's AI audiences. Already, companies are building AI comment bots that engage, like, and reply to posts automatically, simulating fan communities that don't exist. The influencer, the fan base, the engagement, all artificial, all orchestrated. IN this future. Humans won't just compete with AI, they'll perform for it. And every scroll, every click, every trend will be a conversation between machine and machine. When that day comes, the question won't be who made this. It'll be who's left watching. This is not the end of influence. It's the beginning of simulation. We've built a mirror that no longer reflects humanity, but reconstructs IT to ASU watch, like, and share. Remember, the next face you see online might not belong to a person, but to a program. If you want to stay one step ahead of the algorithm, subscribe to NextCore AI and hit the bell icon. Because in this new era of artificial fame, truth is optional, but awareness is power.